Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the lead console of this 2010 Ford Fusion. The procedure applies for any Fusion from the model year 2010 to the 2012. The reason why I'm replacing this is because, as you can see here, the leather is in bad condition and I have this brand new lid that I'm going to replace in the car. The first thing that I'm going to do is open the lid, including the tray, and once I do that, I'm going to be able to see 4 screws here. They are Torx. And the size of the Torx bit that I'm going to use to remove those 4 bolts is T20. Here we can see them, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna bring my new lid, and the only thing that I have to do is place it in position and place back the screws that I removed. And with this, basically we finished. As you guys can see now, this is working. I hope this video is useful for you guys, and if that is the case, I will appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.